In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rows and columns in Google Sheets using shortcut keys. If you've been looking to speed up your spreadsheet tasks, this guide will definitely help streamline your workflow. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the Google Sheet where you wish to add rows or columns. Go ahead and launch your browser, navigate to Google Sheets, and open the spreadsheet you'll be working on. Now, within your Google Sheet, look at the top menu bar and click on Help. You'll find Help situated towards the right, close to the View and Format options. Clicking Help is the gateway to unlocking various functionalities that the platform offers. In the drop-down menu, you'll see Keyboard Shortcuts, which is an essential tool for anyone looking to master Google Sheets. Click on that option. This section houses all the shortcuts you'll need for navigating and manipulating your spreadsheet efficiently. Once you're in the Keyboard Shortcuts menu, make sure you enable the compatible spreadsheet shortcuts. This setting might not be turned on by default, but enabling it enhances the keyboard shortcuts function significantly as it ensures some common shortcuts, similar to those in other spreadsheet software, work as intended. With that enabled, you'll find a search field at the top. Type column into the search field to filter out unnecessary shortcuts, allowing you to focus solely on what's relevant to adding or managing columns. After familiarizing yourself with the necessary shortcuts, feel free to close the Keyboard Shortcuts dialog box. Now it's time to add some rows. Simply click on the row number on the left-hand side of the screen to select a row. With the row highlighted, press Ctrl and the plus key together on your keyboard. This command inserts a new row above the selected row instantly. To add a column, follow a similar process. Click on the appropriate column letter at the top of your spreadsheet to highlight it. Once selected, use the same Ctrl and plus key combination. This adds a column to the left of your selected column. And what if you want to remove a row or column? It's equally simple. To remove a row, select the row just as you did before, then hit Ctrl and the minus key. This promptly deletes the selected row. For removing a column, select your target column, then again use the Ctrl and minus key sequence. It's a seamless experience that can make managing your data much more fluid and intuitive. By using these shortcut keys, not only save time, but significantly enhance productivity. Try incorporating them into your workflow and see how much easier handling your Google Sheets becomes. Happy spreadsheeting?